Know if you can. Let me know if you can hear me. I'm going to do an unboxing today. I am stepping way outside my comfort zone. No time like the present. Hi, Tanya. Hi, Vicky. I hate trying to open these boxes. I wanted to do this in my craft room, but it's still too cold. Thanks, Tanya. Oh, these boxes. I know you can't see me when I do that. Okay, this is the strawberry jam. I don't know if you can see. So cute. I'll probably say that 100 times. So cute. And the buffalo plaid. Gosh, I need a longer arm. This is the Can't Touch This. Vicky, do you love it? Life's a Beach. And my favorite, the butterflies. Like I said, I need longer arms. These boxes are huge. More paste. I got fawn, honeydew, and I can't read this one. I think it's called Storm. It's gray. Ooh, now I get to open another box. Maybe. It wouldn't be good to be doing a live and cut myself with the scissors. That'd be my luck. This is going to be short because this is the last thing. Happiness is homemade. Well, I could barely get this one in. Isn't it so cute with the mason jars? I love it. I just love them. Well, thank you for watching my first live. Scared the bejesus out of me, but I did it. And I may be back later today. Make something pretty. Thank you for watching. I love y'all.